Assalamualaikum everyone, I am Nigar Sultana, your maths teacher from class 2. Today we will learn collecting data from your book. Now look at here number 1. The heading of number 1 is join the tally marks to the correct frequency. In left side, here the line which you see is called tally, and in right side the number is called frequency. We have to join of them. At first we have to count the tally and then we have to join. Here count the tally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tally. Now count with 6. Here is 1, 2, 3. Now count with 3. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now join with 7. Here is 1, 2. Now join with 2. 1 is done. Now look at here number 2. The heading of number 2 is Aunt Jane is deciding which hat to wear to a wedding. Complete the chart below to show how many of each color she has. Now look at here. Here is a chart. Pink, yellow and blue. Now look at here. Here is pink 3. Here pink 3, 1, 2 and 3. Now we have to write here frequency column 3. Look at here. We have to write down in our frequency column 3. Next one is yellow. Here yellow 1. Here 1 is frequency column. Now we have to draw here tally sign in tally column. So look at here. We have to draw 1 tally sign. Is it clear? Now next one is blue. How many blue hairs here? Here is 2 blue hairs. So you have to draw here at first 2 tally sign and after that write here frequency table here 2. So write down here 2 tally sign and after that in frequency column we have to write here 2. Number 2 is done. Now we will start number 3. Number 3 is Javinda asks his friends when they want to go on their day out. Here is outing, ice skating, bowling and mountain climbing. Here in frequency column ice skating 6. Now we have to draw here 6 tally sign. Tally sign or tally marks is called also hash marks. Now we have to draw here 6 tally. For 6 tally here is some different. 4 is denoted by 4 tally sign. Look at here 1, 2, 3, 4. But 5 will not denoted by this way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not this way. It's wrong. For the number 5 we have to draw 4 vertical lines. So at first draw here 4 vertical lines 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertical lines with a diagonal line. Throw it like this. Okay? And this one is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And after that draw here 1 more. 6. So in this way we have to draw here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it clear? Next one is bowling. Here bowling 2. So write down in your copy and frequency column 2. Mountain climbing is 4. So write down in your copy in frequency column 4. Here 2. Write down frequency 2. And here 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So write down frequency column 4. Number A is complete the table. We did it. Now number B. Number B is which outing is most popular? Which outing is most popular? Now look at here. Here ice skating is 6, bowling is 2 and mountain climbing is 4. So ice skating is most popular. So write down in your copy B is ice skating. Number 3 is also done. I hope you are all understand. Thank you.